Alright, so now that the room is done, which I can't believe that it's actually done and that there's furniture in here. I look around and I do not believe that this is actually happening. We have been working on this for 2 years and it has been a dream of mine since I got my first sewing machine and my parents cleared a corner in the basement and my mom tried really hard to give me like a little like sewing desk, but it ended up actually being a college organizer where it was actually a shelf that went around a mini fridge and then it had 2 shelves above it for like a microwave and snacks, and it was not a normal height, so I had to like sit on a step stool and then like sew. Which was very cumbersome. So ever since that experience, I've always been like, what if I have a real chair? Wouldn't that be wonderful? And then I was like, okay, now that I have a real chair, I've been like sewing on tables or whatever, wouldn't it be nice to have a stationary place where I do not have to move? Because this, as I'm going through all of these boxes, this is the first time in 3 years I actually know where all of my stuff is. Because I was at college and like moved stuff around. I wasn't always with my stuff because like partially was at college and then I went home a bunch, so like I was constantly nomading. And then my husband, who was my boyfriend at the time, lived down in Mobile, so I was like doing a triangle between home, parents, boyfriend, and school a fair bit. And then COVID happened. That was a whole mess. As my senior year happened, half of my stuff went into storage because then I went back to my parents because I couldn't even rent an apartment. And then we got a house and we moved it into the house, but then like I wasn't here all the time, and then it was a whole mess. So I am finally organizing things and it makes me so happy to have things organized and to see things on my shelves and be like, oh my gosh, I have more of this fabric? I forgot. So let's go through. We are looking at patterns right now. Oh, this is fun. This is one of my Laughing Moon patterns that I made Stephen his Regency jacket out of. Okay, definitely keeping this one. I've been getting rid of a lot of stuff as we've gone through. Ooh, yeah, like some of these like more like McCall costumes. It's just like a costume, and I can't think of anything that I'm going to use for this because I liked it because it looked Regency, but I have better things now, obviously. So let's get rid of that one. Same with this. McCall's, it's like a Regency dress, but like I got it because I always buy patterns when they are 99 cents at Joann's. I do not buy them if they are not 99 cents, except I was trying to say, I'm sure there is like some exception where I actually bought one full price, but I probably used a coupon or something because I really needed like this certain pattern like right now. But honestly, no, I try to plan far ahead for patterns because I am not about to pay $19.95 for this. I will pay 99 cents though, or now $1.99. They've raised it and I don't like it. But see, I also have like this one from American Duchess, which is like a beautiful really late Georgian, early Regency dress. So like I'm going to keep this one, obviously. I don't think I'm going to keep this one because now that I actually have all my stuff in one place, I want it to all fit in one place. Ooh, nice little history butterick with gloves. I'll keep that one. Oh, this is like an old, one of the first Civil War dresses I ever made. We'll keep that one. That also has some nostalgic practices. Ooh, yes! Regency long sleeves from Red Threaded. Absolutely. Yeah, this is the 1840s quilted hood from the Genesee County Village and Museum that I got. Love that. Still want to make it one day. I bought like a whole different hood pattern because I wanted more 1860s versus 1840s hood. Oh, and then this is another Regency one. I like this one though, Simplicity. I've used that one a couple times to make stuff. Oh, I mean, gotta have a good pirate shirt pattern. Let's see what this is. Just like Random's early 2000s vest. Don't think I'm ever going to use that. This is like a fun fairy outfit, and I've always wanted to make these. But looking at it now, I think I like the inspiration that it provides, but I think I would probably end up making mine with a different silhouette. So, goodbye! Oh yeah, this is my toddler dress that I made for my niece. Oh my gosh. I don't remember where my mom got this or had it printed, but it's Samantha's birthday dress pattern. That's so cool. Gotta keep that one. That's amazing. I have to tell Melissa that I have this from Hat to Hem. If you haven't subscribed to her channel, definitely go check out Melissa's channel. She makes such cute doll outfits. She's made several of Samantha's outfits using the original Pleasant Company's pattern, and you can't tell the difference between her dress and the one that is actually from what that time was the Pleasant Company American Girl doll brand. Yeah, super cool. I'll tell her I have this one. Oh yeah, got a nice printout of the Cape Colt from American Duchess. Definitely going to make this one at some point. I've been saying that forever. Oh, mid-19th century hood. One of the last projects I made. Alright. Oh yeah, another 1860s dress. Love that. Here are ones where I think people give me a lot of things, and a lot of times I am very, very thankful, and sometimes I'm like, I don't know what this is. This is definitely a 1980s does historical. I almost feel like I need to keep that just for historical significance, but also I do not have room. And I'm not just throwing these out, I'm going to either sell them or donate them. In case anyone was wondering. Here are some nice cloaks. I like cloaks, I'll come and keep that one. I don't know. It's a corset pattern. We'll look more into that. These are ones that I buy. Oh, yep. Gotta love historical underwear. Ooh, a 1912 dress. 1920s jacket. Oh, these are some of the newer ones I bought. 1912. More like 1912 men's. I don't have many men's patterns, and I realized I was like, oh, I need to expand my wardrobe for my husband, or I need to expand my pattern collection for my husband so he can have his own wardrobe. Ooh, yes, McCall's. I think McCall's got some new branding going on. Angela Hayton patterns, gotta love those. Ooh, this. Okay. Alright, so that bag is actually all part of one of my new big projects that I'm hopefully going to be debuting this year. I'll give you a little in on it. Because I honestly am not sure when this video is going to go out. But at some point you will see it. I've already bought a little bit of fabric for it, but I am going to do what I'm calling the Molly Project. And it's where I recreate life-size versions of Molly McIntyre, the American Girl dolls dresses for myself, but in a slightly more grown-up fashion, since I am a grown-up, sadly. Well, happily, but also, sadly. You get it if you're a grown-up. But I'm going to make her slightly more sophisticated outfits, all 40s style, and also because I want to add more vintage to my own wardrobe, and American Girl dolls make me happy. So why not make super fun stuff and help that inner child just flourish. So these are a bunch of vintage 40s patterns that I've gotten mainly from Simplicity, also McCall's, also Butterick. Yeah, they're all of those companies are in here. I've also already got some little rickrack and stuff, so I've been all collecting it in here. All of my 40s patterns. So those will all stay together. Take a while to get all that. I do not know what this is. This is also a 1980s does Little House on the Prairie. I kind of like it though. I'm confused by it, but I kind of like it. I'm going to keep it. Oh, these are past patterns, which I always like, but I already have this one. I do not have this one. I'm going to keep this one. But this one, I think I will not keep since I have a duplicate. Now these I think are a bunch of like more vintage-y patterns. Ooh, yes, that I was given. And some of them I absolutely love. I think they're super fun. I mean, all of them are super fun. But some of them I just know I'm not going to wear or make for me. Like this one, I don't think I'm going to make that one. Or this one. This is just the white shirt. This is a child's. This is kind of fun. I think I'm going to keep this one. I'm not going to make this. This is kind of fun. Okay, kind of fun. Oh, this is fun. Look at this. This is Gunny Sack Dress Central. Love that. Oh, I don't know. This does not have anything in it. I think that might be the pattern. But it doesn't have pattern pieces to it. This is a child's. Not going to wear that. 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 That's a child. No skirt.
Some of the patterns that I decided not to keep, I have posted on my Etsy. If you are interested, the link is down below in the description box. So I organized and then I also decorated my sewing room. This ledge that just happened to be there due to the wall structure was absolutely perfect to put my historical American Girl doll collection on. I am so happy to have them out of storage. They've been in boxes for years and having them out just makes me so happy. And then I also put some of my fashion plates that I've had on the wall. A lot of them are from the mid 1800s to late 1800s. I also put some pop culture references up on the wall, and also this beautiful drawing from D'Ambrosio Designs that she gave me during one of our Christmas swaps. The cats also really like this room, but they're still working on sharing the space, because it's a wonderful space to be in, and I'm so excited to get to share it with all of you.